In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send money from Revolut to Postepay. It's very easy to do. Simply load up Revolut and choose the account which you want to send money from. And then you will need to click on payments here at the bottom, right in the middle. So you want to click on payments. Now you will click the plus sign in the top right corner. And from here, you will have to choose bank transfer, which is going to be the second option. Once you choose bank transfer, it is going to ask for your Postepay bank details. You can find them from within the app, or if you have them written somewhere, you will be able to provide your IBAN and other information. And once you provide that information, you will then have to choose international transfer, type the amount, and that is how you send or transfer money from Revolut to Postepay. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.